Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamila's Time. Today's video we're going to be making vanilla cupcakes. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. Let's get started. So for the ingredients we need to make cupcakes, we have some eggs, flour, butter, milk, baking powder, vanilla extract, and sugar. So first I'm going to mix the butter and the sugar together. I'm using powdered sugar, but you can use brown sugar. And then we add in 1 egg at a time. This is egg number 2. And then mix. You repeat until you put in all the 3 eggs. Then I add in the vanilla extract and mix. So I mix the baking powder with the flour. And then I'm going to filter the flour. I'm going to put little by little, adding it in my mixture like this. And then we mix. We do the same until the flour is empty. And the last step is to add in our milk. So here we go, we have the mixture ready, and I'm going to heat up my oven right now. I'm going to put it at 160 degrees C and then bake. So I've already put the cupcake liners on the tray already. Right now I'm just going to fill them, and I'm going to fill them with 1 spoon each. So guys, our cupcakes are ready. As you can see, they really look so good. I can open one so that you can see inside. They look like this inside. So I'm going to let them cool down, and then I show you how I'm going to decorate them. I'm going to be using buttercream, and I'm going to show you how I make the buttercream. So to make the buttercream, I'm just having some butter here, and I'm gonna mix it until it gets soft. So the key to see if you're ready with your butter, it has to become really soft, and also it has to double in size, like you have to blend it really so well. So I'm still on that process here. I don't know if you can see, like the bowl is a little bit big, but my butter is increasing in size. And then now I'm gonna add in like the sugar, the powdered sugar, little by little. I don't add in everything at once, I just put in a little bit and then I mix. You repeat the process until like the sugar is empty. So I'm adding in the milk because it's a little bit thick. So here we go, our buttercream is ready, and the next part we're going to decorate our cupcakes. So I'm going to use this to decorate. I'm using this, I don't know what these ones are called, the shape. You don't want to do this when the cupcakes are warm, you want to do it when they have cooled down. So here is our finished product. The cupcakes are ready to be served. By the way, it was my first time trying out the buttercream recipe. It turned out so good. The cupcakes really taste so good. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.